Despite recent events in Europe, there was optimism in France's tourist sector this week for two reasons. Firstly, the World Travel and Tourism Council (WTTC) issued a statement to say its research suggested that France's travel and tourism sector could see the creation of more than 60,000 jobs compared to 2019. This would exceed pre-pandemic levels by 2.3% and imply that the sector would be employing 2.8. Julia Simpson, WTTC President and CEO, said it was fantastic to see such a strong recovery for a country that has prioritized its travel and tourism sector. Simpson added that millions of livelihoods depend on a booming travel and tourism sector, and thanks to the support of the French government, Since Monday 28th of February, it is no longer necessary to wear a mask in venues that require a vaccine pass to enter. This would be any restaurant, bar, cafe, ski lift, theme park, library, tourist site, concert, museum or cinema. There is still one exception to this rule. Masks are still required on long-distance journeys, buses, planes and trains, where the vaccine pass is also mandatory. Masks are still mandatory for all venues where the vaccine pass is not essential, such as workplaces and shops, but since February 2, 2022, it is no longer necessary to wear a mask outside on the street. It is expected that the next step of the easing of COVID-19 restrictions will be the lifting of face masks as mandatory requirements in schools and workplaces, and also gradually reducing the need for a vaccine pass in some places. Anyone over the age of 16 must have a vaccine pass to access cultural events, trade fairs, long-distance transport, theme parks, ski lifts and catering services, such as restaurants and bars. The current rules on how to get a pass, and when a booster is needed to keep it active, can be found here. Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.